Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open the browser console on both Chrome and Firefox. This is an essential tool for developers and anyone who needs to debug websites or inspect page elements. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says More Tools. This will expand a secondary menu to the side showing additional Chrome utilities and features. These tools give you access to Chrome's more advanced functionality that isn't immediately visible in the main menu. In that secondary menu, you'll see an option labeled Developer Tools. Click on it to open the browser console. This is where all the magic happens for web development and debugging. Once you click this, the Developer Tools panel will appear, typically docking to the right side or bottom of your browser window. This console shows you everything from JavaScript errors to network requests, making it incredibly useful for troubleshooting website issues or understanding how web pages work. Now let's do the same thing in Firefox. Open your Firefox browser on your computer. Similar to Chrome, look at the upper right corner of the Firefox window. Here you'll notice three horizontal lines stacked together, often called the hamburger menu icon. Click on these three lines to open Firefox's main menu. From the menu that appears, click on the option that says More Tools. Just like in Chrome, this gives you access to Firefox's extended toolkit and advanced features. Firefox organizes its developer features in a similar way to Chrome, making it easy to find if you're familiar with one browser. Within the More Tools submenu, locate and click on Web Developer Tools. This will open Firefox's version of the browser console, which functions very similarly to Chrome's developer tools. The panel will appear in your browser window, giving you full access to inspect elements, view console logs, monitor network activity, and debug JavaScript code. And that's it. You now know how to access the browser console in both Chrome and Firefox, giving you the ability to inspect and debug web content whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.